front loader requires a new shovel arm and it needs to be replaced. I wonder if we could replace it with a new design. Let me call Smith and see if he could help me. Can I speak to Mr. Smith, please? This is Jack here. Hi Smith, how are you doing?
Hi Jack, I am good, how are you?
Smith, I have a project for you. I need your expertise in creating a new shovel arm for my front loader vehicle.
Okay, no issues, it can be done. Come over, and let us discuss your requirements and it will be done.
Oh great. I will be there at your office in a few minutes.
That sounds great, I will be waiting for you. Hey Jack, so good to see you.
Hi Smith. We need to create a new design for the shovel arm of the front loader vehicle. The design should be cost-effective, sturdy and light, and without any major alteration.
Yes, that can be done. We already have the CAD file for the front loader. Let's go meet Veronica, who is our technical design head. Hi Veronica, you know Mr. Jack.
Hello, Mr. Jack.
Hi Veronica.
Veronica, we need to create a new shovel arm design for the front loader vehicle.
We will be using Autodesk Inventor to get it done. Here is the front loader vehicle design on Autodesk Inventor. In the Inventor program, you can see the front loader vehicle, and you can see the shovel arm which need to be replaced. With the Autodesk Inventor software, not only can we create a new arm design, but we can also create various options using different materials, keeping in mind the cost and the best option for manufacturing method. As you can see here, we can simplify everything to the basic components. Using Inventor, you can create the entire model within the application. We are now creating a new folder for that specific area. Since we are designing the shovel arm, we can control our design process without affecting the hydraulic lifter and other components. The model can be created using Autodesk Inventor in just 4 simple commands. Just use Sketch, Project, Combine, and Extrude to make the changes to the shovel arm. The model created in Inventor can also be opened in Fusion 360 and AutoCAD directly. We can then highlight the parts of the equipment which we don't want to change in the design of the shovel arm. Also, we can highlight the area and point where the arm pivots the rotation of the shovel. We can also apply force or load, which will help us to determine a viable design option. With weight and stress on the arm metal, which may have to withstand 24/7 in a hazardous environment. Now, with all the necessary details added, we can choose the different material option which we can be accessed through the library. Utilizing parallel computing on the cloud, we can generate the outcome of the arm shovel with different materials to produce it. So we will narrow down the selection and choose the optimal design. Here, you can see this design is lightweight, since it uses Inconel 718. Since cost matters, here is a comparison between the material Aluminium 6061 and Inconel 718. This comparison can also be derived from Inventor and Nastran. Of course, we need to look at the cost of the manufacturing. And this software provides the minimum and maximum cost based on the chosen material, production volume, manufacturing methods, and shape complexity. So, from the different options, we chose 2 designs which looked ideal for the shovel arm. As you can see, the new design has now been applied to the front loader vehicle. Also remember, your production team can still make changes to suit your production requirements. The design can also be opened in any Autodesk software. So, I have also mailed you the new design. Do let me know if you require any other help.
Thank you for the great help Victoria and Smith. Now with the new arm shovel design, I will proceed with the production.
So Jack, do let us know if you have any other requirement.
Thank you, and please do come and visit us if you need any further help.
Hello everyone. Hope you liked our video. Omnix International works closely with Autodesk in the region to provide design management solutions to our partners and customers. You can contact us on the credentials on the screen.